Keep looking at the image on the left-hand side. As I scroll down, this image that is currently split into 4 squares is going to merge back into one. When I scroll back down, it splits up again. Why would this be useful? Maybe you just want the image to focus on particular aspects, or you just want to give a slow reveal of some details. But as you scroll down, that image is going to merge into one. It's the same image, and with a little bit of CSS, we are enabling this to split up or create a masking effect. And I think this is really, really cool. And this could add something different to your hero banners or some other part of your page. Now, I do want to point out this only works for the desktop. And I have enabled the code not to do this for the mobile because sometimes, depending on the mobile, it doesn't work very well. But for the desktop, you can definitely have this effect. Let's get into the nitty gritty of it. We have a container, we have an image, I have another child container inside of it. I've just popped in a heading, a bit of text and a button. You can ignore everything over here. What we're focusing on the image, and it is just one image. This is not 4 separate images. One image, I've set it to be 500 pixels in width and 500 in height. Set it to be a cover, bottom right, you know, whatever you want to do. And I've intentionally picked an image where we had people, so that when we did have the gap, it literally looked like we had individual images there. Let's go to the advanced tab. There is no class name. And when we go to the custom CSS, here's where the magic happens. Don't worry about all of these X's when it says unknown rule or whatever like that. This works absolutely fine, okay? What this is going to do is enable that image to mask or have this staggered white kind of border thingy-majiggies floating in on the image. And then as you scroll up, or scroll down, in fact, the gap there is going to shrink. Now, I've set my gap to be 20 pixels. And I do want to point out, if I go to this container, it doesn't matter what gap I've got set here whatsoever. I mean, I could go in and set this to be 0 for the container. All it's going to do is move the image and the child container slightly closer. It does not influence the gap inside of that image. So let's just go back to the CSS code. So whatever value I set here, I need to just mirror it over here as well. Just remember that, and it should be pretty self-explanatory because I've got 20 pixel and 20 pixel. And then down here, again, just make sure you mirror that value. Now, the other thing you do want to take into account is at what point do you want it to start merging and then be fully merged. So I've got cover. Now, you do have entry. So this would be now based on the top of the image. Or you could put the word exit, and that would be based on the bottom. But I have found, and I did a bit of testing with this, cover works much better. Cover is based on the central point of your image. So what I'm saying is when this image is at 45% of the screen, so roughly somewhere around here, and you can see it starting to merge. And when we get to 60%, which is here, so that's the middle. That middle now is at 60%. This is the middle of my screen, just over here, where you can see my mouse. So round about somewhere around, let's just get it back again. You can just see it there at the 60% mark. I want it now to be basically fully merged up. So you can now see the image fully. But if you want it to break back down, as you scroll upwards, because you've got to always think about the movement of your mouse, but as you scroll upwards, so you're now going higher in the page, it kind of, the mask reappears. Am I making sense what I'm trying to get across to you? All you've got to do is decide on at what point do you want it to start merging or not. And when do you want it to be fully merged? And how big do you want the gap? So if I was to go in here and now I set that to be 50, so very spaced out, just make sure you put 50 pixel over there. Make sure you do 50 pixel here. Oh, and sorry, do it over there as well. So what happens is when you get to the mobile, you will see this. Now, I have not set my image size or anything like that, but I just want to get you to understand. I mean, look, I'll do it now because I know someone's going to say, oh, that doesn't look quite right. So let's just make the image be something like that. Now, when you are looking at it with Edit with Elementor, it might sometimes look like it was merging, but it never was spot on or proper. And that is why inside of this code, if we go back to it, I've basically said just leave it as a fixed. But if maybe for the mobile, you don't want that and you do want it to be fully merged, just go and set that to be 0 down there. Okay, just make sure you set that bit to 0 right at the bottom. So on the desktop, you will still see it and it's still going to work exactly as I've described. So as you scroll up, it merges or the mask disappears. But on the mobile, you could either have the gap or not, or you could even set it to be smaller. I mean, you could even go for, not 50, I went for 5, you know. No, not 5, what am I doing? Go for 5, right? So you do have a bit of control, but I'm just going to leave it like that. There's the code. I will stick that in the video description. I hope you like that, because I'm not saying do this throughout your website everywhere. Sometimes entrance animations or even any form of animation can get noisy and busy on your website. But if you just want to do something a little different, because let's just pretend this was your hero banner. I'll let you play around with it, stick it into ChatGPT if you want to tinker with it. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and follow. Make sure you sign up for our YouTube channel for exclusive videos. But I really hope this just makes you think a little bit differently about the way you're building and the way you're doing things. Take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.